Now, this is chapter number 12 and one of the most important chapter in case of chemistry. And this one is first chapter of organic chemistry. Here we will discuss process which is important to understand organic chemistry. Clear? So now, in case of organic chemistry, here we will discuss things related with respect to carbon and carbon related property. The element carbon has unique property known as catenation. Clear? So due to which it form covalent bond with another carbon. Covalent bond. Carbon will always form, here we can say that covalent bond. It also form covalent bond with atom of other element H2, O2, N2, sulfur, phosphorus and halogen. It also form covalent bond with atom of other element like H2, O2, N2, sulfur, phosphorus and halogen. The resulting compounds are studied under a separate branch of chemistry known as organic chemistry. Clear? Here means branch of science which will include discussion related with respect to carbon is known as organic chemistry. So this unit incorporates some basic principle and technique. Here we will discuss some principle and technique of analysis required for understanding the formation, first of all formation and property of organic compound. Formation and property of organic compound. Clear? So now general introduction. In case of organic compound are vital for sustaining life on earth and include complex molecule like genetic information bearing deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, and protein has constitute essential compound of our blood, muscle and skin. Clear? Organic compounds are vital for sustaining life on earth and include complex molecule. Here we can say that complex molecule like genetic information bearing DNA and protein has constitute essential compound of our blood, muscle and skin. Clear? Organic chemicals appear in material. ऑर्गेनिक केमिकल अपीयर इन मटेरियल लाइक क्लोथिंग है, फ्यूल्स है, पॉलीमर है, डाइज है एंड मेडिसिन. क्लियर? ऑर्गेनिक केमिकल अपीयर्स इन मटेरियल लाइक क्लोथिंग, fuel, polymer, dyes and medicine. So these are some of the important area of application of these organic compound. So these are some important area. Science of organic chemistry. साइंस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री इज अबाउट 200 ईयर ओल्ड. कितना? 200 साल पुराना है. अराउंड द ईयर 1780 केमिस्ट बिगन टू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम प्लांट एंड एनिमल. तो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड वी आर ऑब्टेनिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड फॉर प्लांट एज वेल एज एनिमल एंड इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम मिनरल. मिनरल मतलब इनऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल. सोर्सेस बर्जीलियस साइंटिस्ट है. So Berzelius, a Swedish chemist, proposed that vital force was responsible for the formation of organic compound. Clear? According to Berzelius, a Swedish chemist proposed that vital force was responsible for the formation of organic compound. However, this notation was rejected in 1828 when F. Wohler synthesized an organic compound urea. Urea from an inorganic compound. Here we can select ammonium cyanate. ये है ammonium cyanate. So this one is ammonium cyanate. हीट किया तो यूरिया will form. आप यूरिया को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. C NH2CO NH2 is there. Clear? Now the pioneering synthesis of acetic acid, it means CH3COH by Kolbe. कौन है? Kolbe. Clear? And that of methane by Berthelot shows conclusively that organic compound could be synthesized from inorganic sources in a laboratory. Clear? The pioneering synthesis of acetic acid by Kolbe and that of methane by Berthelot shows conclusively that organic compound could be synthesized from inorganic sources in laboratory. The development of electronic theory of covalent bonding uses organic, here we can say that organic chemistry into its modern shape. तो आपको chemical bonding पता है, and according to that here we can discuss shape and then after hybridization, है ना? So now we will discuss here, see, now we will discuss here next topic tetravalency. तो tetravalency of carbon के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? You know, electronic configuration, VBT, MOT, VSEPR theory will come. In case of, see, in case of tetravalency of carbon, देखो chemical bonding आपको पता है. Here this is carbon, Z is 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 and 1. Here electron will jump 1, 2, 3. अब क्या आ जाएगा? Now p orbital, here hydrogen, तो Z is equal to 1, 1s1. Here hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So hybridization will be sp3. Here see s orbital, px, py and pz. So one s orbital and 3p orbital will combine to form, here we can say the tetravalent compound. Clear? So now if hybridization will be sp3, so shape will be tetrahedral. If hybridization will be sp3, so shape will be tetrahedral. Clear? The knowledge of fundamental concept of molecular structure help in understanding and predicting the property of organic compound. The formation and shape, see, formation as well as shape of molecule like methane, ethene, ethine are explained in terms of the use of sp3, sp2, sp hybrid orbital by carbon atom in the respective molecule. Clear? इस देखो अभी ये क्या है? तो this one is ethane. इसका नाम क्या है? तो this one is ethane. And then after this one is ethene. इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग ethene. And then after here ethyne will be there. Clear? Here how many sigma bonds are there? The number of sigma bond is 4. Here number of sigma bond is 3. And here number of sigma bond is 2. Here number of sigma bond is 4. Therefore hybridization will be sp3, sp2 and sp. Here shape will be tetrahedral. Clear? Here shape will be triangular. This is triangular planar. And here shape will be linear. In this way, here structure can be determined with the help of hybridization. And whenever one carbon will combine with another carbon, then this type of property is normally known as catenation. You have to remember one most important thing. First organic compound, that is urea, is again prepared with the help of ammonium cyanide. Clear हुआ? And formula is NH2CONH2 will be there. ठीक है? Now next topic is shape of carbon compound. In case of shape of carbon compound, here first of all hybridization is one of the most important thing. Clear? So now hybridization influence the bond length and bond enthalpy. Hybridization influence the bond length as well as bond enthalpy in organic compound. The sp hybrid orbital contain more s character and hence it is closer to the nucleus and forms shorter and stronger bond than sp3 hybrid orbital. Clear? Hybridization influence the bond length and bond enthalpy in organic compound, the sp hybrid orbital contains more s character and hence it is closer to its nucleus and forms shorter and stronger bond than sp3 hybrid orbital. Now, the sp2 hybrid orbital is intermediate in s character between sp and sp3 and hence the length as well as enthalpy of the bond it form are also intermediate between them. The change in hybridization affect the electronegativity of the carbon. The change in hybridization affect the electronegativity of, we can say that, carbon. तो देखो जो कैरेक्टर दिया है ना, परसेंटेज, इंटरमीडिएट, तो आपको क्या करने का, सी इन केस ऑफ sp as well as we can say that sp2 and sp3, तो क्या होता है, सी जैसे ये है sp, ये है sp2 और ये है sp3, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑर्बिटल इज 1 and 2, तो 100 डिवाइड बाई 2 तो 50, इधर पे देखो 33.33 एंड हियर 25%, मतलब हियर s and p, s orbital will contribute 50 and 50, here s p p, so 33.3 33.3 33.3 is there. Similarly here s, then px, py and pz, so per orbital will contribute 25%, per orbital will contribute 25%. Clear? So maximum s character is again in sp, then after sp2, then after sp3 will be there. Clear? The greater s character of the hybrid orbital, the greater is the electronegativity. The greater s character of hybrid orbital, the greater is the electronegativity. Thus, a carbon atom having sp hybrid orbital with 50% s character is more electronegative than possessing sp2 or sp3 hybridized orbital. So this relative electronegativity is reflected in several physical and chemical properties of the molecule concerned, about which you will learn in later unit. Clear? Clear means some, we can say the structure will be given, and on the basis of structure you have to find out here hybridization, then after sigma bond, and then after we can say that pi bond and all that. Clear? So now next topic we will discuss characteristics features of pi bond. Here characteristics features of, again we can say that pi bond is there. So see, in pi bond formation, parallel orientation of p orbital on adjacent atom is necessary for a proper sideways overlap. Thus, in CH2 molecule, all the atom must be in same plane. Clear? In a pi bond formation, parallel orientation of two orbital and adjacent atom is necessary for proper sideways overlap. Thus, in CH2 molecule, all the atom must be in the same plane. Clear? Now, the p orbital are mutually parallel and both the p orbitals are perpendicular to the plane of molecule. The p orbitals are mutually parallel and both the p orbitals are perpendicular to the plane of molecule. Rotation of C, the rotation of one CH2 fragment with respect to other interfere with maximum overlap of p orbital, and therefore such rotation about carbon-carbon double bond is restricted. मतलब here in case of ethene, so we can say that rotation is not possible. Clear? The electron charge cloud of the pi bond is located above and below the plane of bonding atom. So this result in the electron being easily available to the attacking reagent. In general, pi bond provide most reactive center in molecule containing multiple bond. Clear? In another way, we can say that reactivity of compound related with respect to pi bond will be more. Reactivity of compound related with respect to pi bond will be, again we can say that, more as compared to sigma bond. In this way we can say that, see, in this way we can say that ethyne, the reactivity of ethyne is more. Now we will discuss, see, problem number 12.1. Here we have to calculate 12.1. Here we have to calculate sigma bond and pi bond. तो see, क्वेश्चन नंबर ए क्या दिया है, H C ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, यहाँ पे C एंड देन आफ्टर CH डबल बॉन्ड CH CH3. चलो CH here, this is, we can say that, bond line formula. Now we have to calculate sigma bond. तो देखो, sigma here carbon hydrogen bond 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then after sigma carbon carbon, तो 1, and then after 2 sigma carbon bond carbon, and sigma this one. In this way total sigma bond will be, here we can say that, 10. Now we will discuss pi bond. तो पाई क्या होगा, इधर पे 2 एंड पाई तो इधर पे 1, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पाई बॉन्ड्स आर 3. तो दिस इज, वी कैन से दैट, मेथड विद द हेल्प ऑफ व्हिच वी कैन फाइंड आउट हियर इज सिग्मा बॉन्ड एज वेल एज पाई बॉन्ड. अब इसमें मैं आपको हाइब्रिडेशन भी सिखा दूं. सी देख, हाइब्रिडेशन में सिग्मा बॉन्ड लेने का, सिग्मा बॉन्ड की 2, तो हाइब्रिडेशन sp3 है तो sp2, 4 है तो sp3. Here how many sigma bond, 1 and 2, therefore sp, here sp, इधर पे sp2, इधर sp2, and here sp3. So this will be hybridization. Clear? In this way we can find out total number of sigma bond as well as we can say that pi bond. So this is question number A. Now in question number B, 12.1 में क्वेश्चन नंबर B, तो B में भी क्या करना है, CH2 डबल बॉन्ड C H CH3, तो CH डबल बॉन्ड CH H and H. तो चलो सिग्मा कार्बन हाइड्रोजन 1 2 3 4 5 6, फिर सिग्मा कार्बन कार्बन 1, सिग्मा कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड के 2, अब आएगा पाई तो यहाँ पे 2, तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा इज 9, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पाई इज 2. नाउ अगेन वी विल डिस्कस हियर हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. तो हाउ मेनी वी कैन से दैट सिग्मा बॉन्ड इज हियर 1 2 3, तो ये आ जाएगा sp2, हियर sp, हियर sp2, and here we can say that sp3. So these are hybridization in case of problem number 12.1. Clear? Now we will discuss in problem number 12.2. Problem number, solve example 12.2. यहाँ क्या दिया है, what is type of hybridization of each carbon. तो चलो ये A, इसका मैं सीधा लिखता हूँ, बॉन्ड लाइन फॉर्मूला. ये बॉन्ड लाइन फॉर्मूला है. हियर हाउ मेनी सिग्मा बॉन्ड, 1 2 3 4, इसलिए हाइब्रिडाइजेशन विल बी sp3. सिमिलरली ये B है तो देखो कैसे लिखेंगे, C डबल बॉन्ड H H H H, here hybridization will be sp2, here sp3 and sp3. It is hybridization means related with respect to sigma bond. Then third one CH3, ये, here hybridization will be sp3 and this will be sp. ऐसी चलो ये है तो यहाँ पे H CO and H H. How many sigma bond, 1 2 3, so this one is sp2. Similarly here H H, then after H, then H here. So this is hybridization will be sp3, sp2, sp2, and this one is sp. So these are hybridization. In case of hybridization, we can find out total number of sigma bond. In case of hybridization, we can find out total number of sigma bond. Now problem 12.3. तो प्रॉब्लम 12.3 में क्या है? सी. इन केस ऑफ प्रॉब्लम 12.3 उसमें भी क्या बोल रहे हैं? 12.3 में here write the state of hybridization of carbon. State of hybridization here means C double bond H आया B. ये H है ये और ये C. यहाँ क्या है? हाउ मेनी सिग्मा बॉन्ड? 1 2 3 sp2 sp3 और ये sp. So these are complete information of, we can say, that hybridization. In this way topic number 12.1 and 12.2, 12.2.1, 12.2.2 and 3 examples are completed. Correct?